What is this called? Stapler. What is this called? Staples. What is this called? Paper clips. What is this called? Folder. What is this called? Sheet protector. What is this called? Clipboard. What is this called? Highlighter. What is this called? Sticky notes. What is this called? Tape dispenser. What is this called? Rubber bands. What is this called? Stamp. What is this called? Pushpin. What is this called? Binder clip. What is this called? Notepad.